Hello everyone! In this video, we will learn how to use the practice feature in the nLearn app. Let's dive in. Log in to the nLearn app using your student credentials. Click on the practice feature. You will find the Prepare and Assess tabs. Prepare includes continue from where you left, pick a subject to practice, revise now. Assess includes create your own test, practice, pick a subject to practice. Now, let's learn how to pick a subject and start practicing. Select your preferred test format. After selecting the test format, choose the subject you want to practice. All the topics within that subject will be displayed. Click on a topic, then choose either all the questions or specific subtopics you'd like to practice. Select the difficulty level, easy, medium or hard based on your preference and click Start Practice. The practice engine will display questions including the number of questions and their type. Answer the question by selecting or typing the answer depending on the question type, then click Submit. The system will inform you whether your answer was correct or incorrect. If incorrect, it will show you the correct answer along with the explanation if available. After reviewing the answer, click Next to move on to the following question. Once you've completed all the questions, click Done to view your practice summary. Let's go to Revise Now feature. The Revise Now feature helps you focus on questions you've answered incorrectly or skipped in previous exams. Click on View All to access a detailed exam summary. You'll see a list of all the exams you have taken and how many questions you've answered incorrectly or skipped on each card. To get specific feedback, click on the test result of any exam. This will show you your score details. Click on Revise Now to start practicing. You'll receive a mix of questions you answered incorrectly or skipped. The Revise Now practice procedure is the same as pick a subject to practice. Now, we'll go to Create Your Own Test under Assess tab. Now, let's explore how to create your own test using the multi-chapter practice. Click on Multi-chapter practice where you'll see two tabs, Active, Attempted. In the Active tab, click on Create New Multi-chapter Test to begin. Based on your preferences, select the test format, topics, subject-wise, and click Next. You can also edit topics if needed. Choose the duration for your test and click Create. The number of questions will depend on your chosen duration and topics. Read all the instructions carefully, check the box that says I agree to terms and conditions, and then click on Proceed to begin. The test engine will then launch, allowing you to start writing your customized test. That's it. The Practice, Revise Now, and Create Your Own Test features are great tools to strengthen your weak areas and improve your performance. Happy learning!